This is really occurring, I still can't believe it. In the cryptocurrency world, and in the Shiba Inu ecosystem in particular, something monumental is happening right now. Big changes are on the horizon for Shiba Inu, according to a string of announcements from leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Oh, and did you hear what? Not even Coinbase is staying out of it. It appears that Coinbase, a major player in the business, is emerging into the limelight. As if a long, complicated puzzle is coming together piece by piece. Then, what exactly is happening? We will go into the specifics now. There has been a lot of activity with Shiba Inu tokens on Coinbase in the last day. The transfer of about 800 billion tokens is massive. Another intriguing aspect is the method by which Arkham Intelligence, a prominent blockchain analytics company, has been monitoring this. Data recorded on the blockchain reveals large influxes and outflows from addresses known as whales who possess so much cryptocurrency that their transactions have the power to influence the market. There are significant concerns over the cause of these whale movements because they occur within a brief period of time. Such heightened activity on Coinbase is consistent with a more general pattern we've been observing as of late. Coinbase is among several exchanges that appear to be reviving their interest in Shiba Inus. The Shiba Inu community has been experiencing some rather dramatic events over the past week. Lots of Shiba Inu tokens have been moved around on several exchanges as far as we can tell. Not to mention that the sums involved here are in the millions of dollars, not some minor transaction. Many in the cryptocurrency world are perplexed and want to know what's driving these massive transactions. At last, it seems like we may be receiving some clarification. There appears to be more going on with these token movements than what is immediately apparent, and the veil is beginning to lift. Something major is likely happening because of the heavy involvement of several exchanges. The Shiba Inu saga is heating up, so fasten your seatbelts because we may soon learn some shocking new details. The continued attempts of Shiba Inu to incorporate Sherbarium, its highly anticipated Layer 2 scaling solution, are a major factor in the significance of these token movements. In case you haven't heard, Sherbarium is an initiative to make the Shiba Inu network more efficient and cheaper to deal on. After going live for almost 5 months, the initiative has garnered a great deal of enthusiasm. What does Sherbarium have to do with these massive token price fluctuations on exchanges? Well, more and more people are starting to think that they might have a strong connection. You see, the significance of these encounters grows as Shiba Inu continues to integrate Sherbarium. There may be a connection between the optimization and growth of Sherbarium and large token movements on exchanges like Coinbase. It is possible that these payments are part of a larger strategy to improve the Shiba Inu ecology rather than merely normal financial transactions. If that's the true, it might mean that exchanges are adjusting their tactics to take advantage of Sherbarium's advancements. That is to say, as technology advances, these exchanges may be getting ready to provide Shiba Inu with more substantial support. Much of this was still conjecture only a short time ago. However, some excellent news is finally available to you today. A fresh twist has emerged in the Shiba Inu saga, just when you thought it couldn't get any more intriguing. A big move has been taken concerning Shiba Inu's Bone token by Uphold, a cryptocurrency exchange situated in the US. If you're unfamiliar with the Shiba Inu ecosystem, particularly Shibarium, Bone is a crucial token. So here is what transpired. The decision by Uphold to relist various alternative cryptocurrencies, including Shiba Inu and Bone, has recently garnered headlines because of regulatory restrictions imposed by a Canadian government body. Uphold delisted these tokens approximately 1 month ago. This was a major development. There appeared to be some major problems with the tokens at that time. Uphold, however, seems to have gotten past those regulatory roadblocks and is once again offering Shiba Inu and Bone on their platform. For those who love Shiba Inus, this is fantastic news. The reactions of the Shiba Inu community, especially those who are passionate about Bone tokens, are what make this news even more intriguing. There was an immediate explosion of mentions of Bone on social media following the announcement. Exclamation points, GIFs, and comments flew about as people shared and discussed the news. Adding to the general excitement, Uphold even engaged in the celebration by communicating with the community. Importantly, Bone is now listed as a Tier 3 asset on Uphold's transparency platform. I know this seems really technical. However, it is in fact quite significant. I will tell you why. The Uphold system categorizes assets into many tiers that dictate the platform's user interface for each. The possibility that Bone may be classified as a Tier 4 asset caused some initial alarm among Shiba Inu owners. According to Uphold, Tier 4 assets can be bought, sold, held, and sent amongst members on the network. Their usefulness is limited, though, because they cannot be sent or received from other cryptocurrency wallets. Thankfully, Bone was upgraded to Tier 3 status, which is quite impressive. Users are granted greater flexibility with Tier 3 assets. Aside from the standard trading features, users now have the option to add and remove Bone from external wallets. This implies that Bone can be freely transferred between Uphold and other cryptocurrency wallets rather than being limited to just the Uphold platform. This gives up new options for the use of Bone by allowing the token to explore the wider crypto ecosystem. For what reason is this so important? To facilitate transactions inside the Shiba Inu ecosystem, Bone is intended to serve as the gas fee token in Shibarium. Outside of this network, its usefulness is highly dependent on Shibarium. The option to withdraw Bone from an exchange like Uphold could be a major step towards the widespread integration of Shibarium. Such actions have been observed previously. Another exchange, Gate.io, first listed Bone and subsequently added Shibarium to its platform. As if to set the scene, these exchanges are introducing the utility token first, and then preparing the groundwork for the network it uses. Shiba Inu may be getting closer to its aim of wider Shibarium usage if users of Uphold can now withdraw Bone. However, that isn't the sole noteworthy advancement. Coinbase is another option. A lot of people in the community are wondering if Coinbase is getting ready for anything huge because of all the Shiba Inu tokens that have been moving around recently. Would it be possible for Coinbase to list Bone at last? For Bone advocates, this is a very contentious issue. As the case may be, adding Shiba Inu Bones to Coinbase's inventory might revolutionize the cryptocurrency market, as the exchange is among the biggest and most powerful in the world. Something big could be about to happen when you think about the recent whale transactions on Coinbase and the general trend of exchanges expressing more interest in Shiba Inu. Bone would have a watershed moment if Coinbase chooses to list it. It might bring in a slew of new participants and draw even more focus to the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Everyone is watching Coinbase closely to see what happens next, and the community's excitement is contagious. Quick changes are occurring in the dynamics of exchanges that deal with Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. Things could be about to shift drastically, what with Uphold making some daring steps and Coinbase hinting at huge things to come. Shiba Inus are more promising than ever before. And the cryptocurrency markets appear to have finally noticed the shift, probably due to a lack of confidence in what the future holds. Exchanges have been slow to adopt new technology in the past. However, it appears that they are finally beginning to see the value in Shiba Inu and Shibarium. What do you think about this whole situation? Your thoughts would be greatly appreciated. Please share your thoughts by leaving a comment below. Also, watch one of the videos there if you want to find out more. I appreciate you tuning in. If you found the video entertaining, please consider giving it a like and sharing it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated, and the channel will be sustained.